Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable nightlight on Dell XPS laptop. To do this, first let's open our Start, then go to the settings. Right here enter System, and here you should find Display. Now locate the nightlight and you'll be able to turn it on and off. Now there's also different options for it, and you can click on this arrow next to it to adjust the strength of your nightlight. And there's also an option to schedule it for a certain amount of hours. When you enable it, you can set it when it turns on and when it turns off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.